Introducing the PB3300 by James Burn, a compact, heavy-duty electric wire rope punch and bind machine that is perfect for higher volume binding. It features a 13-inch binding edge along with disengageable dies, so you can choose from different wire rope punching patterns, including square or round holes for both 3-to-1 and 2-to-1 pitch bindings, as well as dies with thumbcut punches for calendars. Changing the die is easy. Just twist to unlock and slide the die out. Storage below the front table will hold an additional die for easy access. Slide the new die in, twist to lock it in place, and you're ready to punch and bind. An adjustable side guide lets you center your document perfectly, and markings for the most popular paper sizes make it simple. The punching dies feature retractable pins, so you can prevent half-hole punches on the edge of your sheet by simply pulling the pin causing that hole. The PB3300 has a punching capacity of about 25 sheets and is foot pedal operated, leaving both hands free to handle the documents. A wire selector guide on the top of the machine means there is no guesswork to choose the best wire diameter for your document thickness. To adjust the wire closer, twist the two knobs on the top of the machine until the table lifts up to the appropriate size. A convenient wire hanger on the front of the machine helps you load your punched pages onto the wire spine. Once loaded, place the wire against the back of the closer and press the foot pedal, and you're done. The James Burn PB3300 offers consistent, high-quality wire rope binding with precise punching. For more information or to buy this machine, visit binding101.com or call the number on your screen.